one and only sister AB Media. Welcome to my channel today. It's your girl, your one and only sister AB Media. When they bring over the story, they come. So my people, I don't arrive, I just they come now. So I bring a lot of things where we say we go need to know a lot of things. And now so I go they bring and they come for this channel. Make una they hear am as they be as they hot. So hey, my baby na hot. Make I tell you now something. What they happen for this world now. My dear sister, my little brother. So we do. So what I want to teach today is about women. Women. A lot of us are doing a lot of mistake. A lot of us are doing a lot of things. A lot of us are doing because of money. We think that we are inside rain, we are raining, we are flying, and we'll be doing a lot of things, baba things in our life. We have your life to live. But let me tell you about something. Let me advise a lot of us will be women. And do you know that there's a women, everybody is not the same. Everybody have their lives to live in this world. You have your life to live. I have my life to live. You cannot tell someone to what to do. You have your life, but you can advise someone. If the person like to hear, it will hear. If the person don't like it, will not hear. A lot of men is complaining that we are not. A lot of men is complaining. A lot of women don't clean their body, inside their body. You know that thing why they talk, that inside. A lot of men is complaining their women don't clean their body very well. So it's why I bring this topic today. We have to be, let's be serious. We have to be cleaning that place. You understand me, my people? We have to be cleaning that place. It's very, very important. Because sometimes the thing go they smell like we say ogiri igbo, all those like smell things where they say they don't keep since 18-20 years. We have to be cleaning there so it will be neat. Not the time when you open everywhere will be smelling like smelling like something where don't, and the man will be angry. So why this, which kind of thing? The man will not tell you. But the way the man do, you will know that this one, you don't like what he say. He will not tell you. A lot of man, a lot of husband, he cannot tell you. Sometimes some will tell you. Some husbands tell their wives. Some girlfriend, boyfriend tell their girlfriend. But some they will not tell you. They will be going outside, take because of that, be cheating. So it's why I come for women today. It's why I say, let me say it today. We have to be cleaning that place. We have to be watching that place very well. You have to make sure the place is very, very neat before you start doing janglova. You understand? It's very, very important because you don't need that place to be getting odor. You don't need that place to be smelling. You don't need that place to be bringing the smell that the man will be, how the smell of the man will be, even to enjoy the thing, even to eat that one, you go tire am. And some of us will be women, we go say, you won't make the man they lead the other one, and you won't make the man they lead that one. But you don't wash it very well. So you have to learn how to wash this very well. I'm going to teach it in another day, but you have to learn how to wash your wash it very, very well. It's very, very important. Because many men is complaining about that. Many ladies, they don't clean themselves. Many ladies, when they open their body, the place will turn to any other thing. The place will be smelling very bad. So it's why I bring this story today. My people, you need to be cleaning up your body. You need to be cleaning up your body because the man will not tell you. The man will go outside and be getting another this young girl, getting another this sweet 16, getting another these girls, getting you understand, getting pino. So we need to be cleaning that place. Your husband, your fiancé will not tell you what he sees, but it will be going outside, be cheating because of that, because of the thing you see inside that one. When you open everywhere will be doing the like this and like this. So the man will not say, and the man will not tell you about that. The man will not talk. A lot of men is complaining about that. A lot of men is complaining about that. You will see beautiful lady, you will see this girl, fine to the last. But when you do like this, when you do like this, everywhere go turn to, you understand? So all those things, a lot of men, but some men will tell you, girl, clean up yourself. You understand? But they will not continue be telling you, you have to be clean up yourself. We are adults here. We are not baby. Clean up yourself. Stop making yourself looking so like the man will not even stay for 1 second. The man will dress and wear his clothes because it will tire him. Even though he be wife, he go tire him. Because you now wey dey let me give you an example. If na you, something wey dey hot, you go fit dey chop am. You go fit dey even dey enter there. Wey be say if you dey as the man just do leg like he do leg like this, but for the man everywhere na go turn to Onitsha na Obosi. So you have to clean up yourself. You have to make sure you wash yourself very very well. Make sure you wash yourself, even though before your man enter there. You make sure you go bathroom, bath very well, bath, clean up yourself. So you be smelling ndondona. If you be smelling, you be smelling good. So if the man dey do the thing, you go the smell wey dey come out there, say you go dey give am ogwo obala, you go dey give am vitamin K. Don't be say the one wey be say the man, when you open that one, everywhere will be smelling like tomorrow no day. Many guys, many men, they are scared. All these things is causing a lot of problem in a home. All these things is causing a lot of problem in a relationship. All these things is causing a lot of problem in everything. So it's why I'm telling you people, ladies, women, we need to be cleaning up ourselves. You need to be cleaning up that side. Clean up, wash it very well. Clean up yourself. You need it for your own good. So your husband will not be looking outside. So your fiancé will not be going out. Not be the man will just, when the man say, okay, let me enjoy this lady. When you put like this, it will run. The thing will make the man to be angry. And some of them will not tell you. It's only the one they like you, or the one they like you will tell you, or your husband will not tell you. You will have another woman outside, be enjoying himself, and the girl is cleaning himself well. But when you come back to put even head, to even do that one, oh, everywhere is smelling like tomorrow. All the whole house will turn to another thing. Many men don't like all this thing. It's why I say, let me talk about it. We needed to clean up ourselves, ladies. Wash down your place well, wash and well, clean them. Put your hand and clean yourself very well. Don't be doing clean up when your leg and clean up yourself very well. Put your hand, wash your this thing very well. You don't have to be leaving yourself. You will not clean up yourself. And when the man complain, some of them, when the man complain, you'll be nagging, you'll be shouting, why are you talking like this? And I see the way you talk to me. Because if you say the man don't tell you one, you know here, he tell you to, it is in a play, he they tell you know one here. Sometimes some men self will tell you they like that one the way they smell. But not everybody is not equal. You don't have to, even though a man tell you say he like the one where they smell, you don't need to even, no matter that about that one, you don't even need to leave yourself. You will not clean up your body. Even the man like the one where they smell, you have to still clean it. Clean yourself up. Stop keeping yourself dirty. Leave yourself just like that. You make sure you put your hand and clean yourself, wash yourself very well. A lot of men is complaining. This one is smelling, which is very, very wrong. We need to clean up ourselves. Clean it very, very well. We are adults here. We are not baby. Not tomorrow you'll be complaining, my husband is cheating on me, he's going with another lady, or my fiancé is cheating on me, he's doing this. Some of us, this thing is causing a lot of problem because we were not cleaning up the place very well. Clean it. Make it to be looking good every time, to smell well, before you come and give the person where get them. before you go and give the person wey get am, clean am, make the place dey clean. So even though you wan do the other one, you wan sell lefele or you wan eat am, you wan chop am, make him fit chop am, the scent go dey do am many for body. Tomorrow him go dey tell you say, honey, na only the kwa your ozugbo again kwa. Na water, but when you are not giving, when you cannot even clean up the thing, even though you're big, even though you're fat like me or more than me, try and be clean up yourself. Try by yours, because men, some of them cannot tell you. They will not tell you. You will see them, they will be laughing with you, but they will not tell you. Even your husband, some of we don't marry, some husband, you will not talk. But you will see, I mean, be going with somebody that is cleaning. If you say the girl will pass, you will find out than that girl. But because of the girl is clean inside, is why in body they sweet am. The thing they sweet the man. Because if in they eat them, go in body go in the the same way they hear they make in body they do okay. But when you will be wife or when you girlfriend know the cleaner, let me the man they go outside. So you don't have to be going there. You have to be you to clean yourself. Is why I bring this story to today. Clean up yourself, and I will be teaching you how you will be cleaning that one. Clean them very well so it will be neat. Make sure you clean it. After now, you go dey tell the man say, you know they chop me, you know they chop me, you know they wash plates for me, you know they use your ile, you know they use your hand to do this one. But now because of you are not cleaning that place, is why. But when you clean that place, you will see, you know, you go even use your mouth to talk am. The man ain't go use his hand, they wash the thing. As he just say, go use his hand, they wash. So my sister, try and to be clean up your body. Your down one, clean it very well, so it will all those aroma wey go dey come out there na pori go dey come out there. Is why I bring this story. Is your girl Ebi Media when they bring ogbonge story dey come. Every time I will be bringing and be teaching a lot of things. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Bye.